out for any elephants in here. It looks like there is an elephant just up ahead of us on our right side. That is an African elephant. And we know this, one, because we're in Africa, and two, because of the size of those ears. African elephants, like this one, have much larger ears than their Asian elephant counterparts. On our left side, there are some gray monkeys up on the rocks and in the grass, and those are mandrills. Mandrills are the largest type of monkey. Fully grown male mandrills can weigh as much as 100 pounds. While males usually stay closer to 35 pounds. And they're also very distinctive looking monkeys with those bright red and blue markings on their faces, just like Rafiki from The Lion King. There's one more good view of that elephant just behind us now, and as you can see, it is flapping those large ears. That is a great way for elephants to keep cool on hot days. We're going to head a little bit deeper through elephant country still. We might be able to spot some more up ahead. One little known fact about elephants is that they are afraid of bees. Researchers have not found a reason for this, but we humans have been able to use it to our advantage. A lot of the farmers here in Eastern Africa have started to create bee fences around their crops, which protects those crops from being eaten or trampled by elephants without hurting any elephants. And it even provides the farmers an extra source of income because they can sell the honey. On both sides of the truck here are some large red clay deposits. And over to the right, we can even see tusk marks in the clay. This is because elephants eat red clay. It provides them with nutrients and minerals not otherwise found in their diet. That's usually a good sign that there are some more elephants around. And it looks like there are a few more over to our left. Elephants, especially female and young elephants, are very social creatures. They'll usually spend most of their days interacting with other members of their herd. Elephants live in matriarchal society. Of flamingos. There's winning some pretty young flamingos, which are those smaller grayish birds with the black legs. That's right, flamingos are born a grayish color, and they'll gain their pink coloration as they mature because of their diet. Flamingos eat mostly brine shrimp, which are rich in a mineral called beta-carotene that works to turn them pink over time. These are greater flamingos, which we know because they're the largest of the flamingos and the lightest shade of pink. A group of flamingos together is called a flamboyant. That's of a group of white rhinos. Mud wallows, like this one, are usually a good sign that there are some more rhinos around. Both rhinos and elephants will use mud to help cool off on hot days. It provides both animals with a natural sunscreen and a natural bug repellent. And it looks like these white rhinos are pretty covered in mud. But despite the mud, you can probably still tell that they're really not white in color. White rhinos actually get their name from a mistranslation of the Afrikaans word "weit," which actually means wide, and that's in reference to the wide shape of their jaw that helps them to graze for their food. The black rhino that we saw earlier does have a much more pointed shape to its jaw. And another big difference between the black and the white rhino is their size. These white rhinos can weigh as much as 5,000 pounds, which is about a ton heavier. Warthogs are the largest burrowing mammal. They use their sharp tusks and those hooves to build their burrows. Then they'll usually back themselves into those burrows, leaving their tusks exposed as a defense against predators. On our right side, there are a couple of little brown animals. Those are bontaboks. Bontaboks are a type of antelope, and they're known for their uniquely shaped horns and shiny coats that often